In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Xbox 360 on iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase a workaround method to play Xbox 360 games on your iPhone. So as you might be aware, it is impossible to natively play basically any title of the Xbox 360 catalog on an iPhone. This is because the games were not pre-released for mobile devices. However, there is a workaround that you can do by using the Xbox app features. So for this video, you are going to need the Xbox 360 game that you want to play. And the important thing is that it needs to be able to run on newer gen consoles. So an Xbox One or an Xbox Series S or X. You can use a physical copy if you wish. So you just make sure that your specific console has a CD reader, or you can play a digital one. The important thing is that the game must run on these modern consoles. Because for this method, what we are going to be doing is streaming the game over from these modern consoles to an iOS or Android device, and then you will be able to essentially play it on that smartphone. So load up the game on your console, and the most important thing is that when you go over to the settings and you access the remote features under devices and connections, make sure that remote features are enabled. If you are unsure how to do this, look for a specific tutorial for your model of console, but as long as remote features have been enabled, you will be able to get this done. So now download the Xbox application for iOS devices. Open the app, and after you are done signing in with a Microsoft account, when you tap on your console icon or you go over to the settings, you will be able to choose remote play on this device. As the name suggests, this will allow you to stream the screen of your Xbox console to your phone. It isn't going to have too much latency because you will be in close proximity, and the only requirement is that you are on the same Wi-Fi network between both of these devices. So choose the option to remote play and then run the game on your newer console. As long as the game is running on that console and you use remote play on your phone, you will be able to control everything through your iPhone, essentially playing the game from the iOS device. Make sure that you have a controller connected, which can be easily done over Bluetooth. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Xbox 360 games on iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.